Welcome to the Lash Collection Clover Lash tutorial. Our new Clover Lashes allow you to create beautiful, voluminous lash looks with the speed and ease of a classic lash application. Our Clover Lashes are a 3D lash that's connected at the base for a seamless attachment. To get started, I want you to look right above the tape to see where the lashes are connected. This is where you want to grab the lash with your tweezer. Gently pick up the lash from the connected area, place it on the tape, and then pick it up in the fanned area, and you're ready to dip and apply. But first, let's see that pickup once again. So you pick up with the tips of your tweezer right above the tape where you see the lashes are connected, simply place on the tape and pick up the fan. Now here's a look at the pickup in real time. You can see how fast and easy that is. To dip in your adhesive, you can use any surface you prefer. You want to dip the lash straight down about 2 millimeters into your adhesive. I like to use a scooping motion as I pull the lash out. The most important thing is to ensure your adhesive is down at the very base, just like I'm showing here. This is vital for great retention. To apply the Clover Lash, simply press it onto the isolated natural eyelash, just like you would a classic lash. You can apply from the top, side, or I love to apply from the bottom, just like I'm showing here. One other tip I find to be important is to be mindful of the upper layer of natural lashes and apply 1 to 2 millimeters shorter Clover lashes on those high-sitting naturals. As you can see, once you get into your rhythm, you can apply Clover lashes so fast and easily. I've been amazed by how quick I can get my clients' lashes looking so full and beautiful with so little effort. Now, all of this only matters if you have great retention, and the retention with Clover Lashes is absolutely fantastic. My most important tips are to make sure your adhesive is right at the bottom of the extension and make sure you line up the angle of the base of the extension with the natural lash. I hope you enjoy working with our Clover Lashes as much as I do. Happy lashing!